Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you did so, you're probably interested in how I got this daytime smoky eye look using only 4 products. Yes, 4 products, guys. Go ahead and please stay tuned. Watch these next couple of clips so you can see how I achieve this daytime glam look. Okay, go ahead and stick around and watch these next couple of clips. Thanks, guys. Okay, so first I'm going to put some witch hazel on my face. I just finished washing my face. This is my favorite, the THAYERS Rose Petal Witch Hazel. Then I'm going to take some vitamin E oil, and this is what I'm going to moisturize my face with. And I take just very little, and I press it in my hands, roll it around just a little bit, and then put mine on like this. I just press it into my face. I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty primer and put that on. Then I'm gonna take my RCMA palette. This is the VINCENT KEHOE, I think I'm saying that right. And I'm going to use the orange in here for the discoloration of my face. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 420. Shake that. Shake it up. Small little dots. I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Tofffe, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. I'm going to take Cool Tan, also by LA Pro Girl, and I'm going to put a little dot. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and press that in. Then I'm going to take this loose mineralized powder by MAC, and this is in the color medium. Take a little, tap off the excess. This is about how much I have on my brush. I'm going to put it under my eyes and all on the areas where I put the concealer. And I'm going to take Ben Nye's Luxury Powder in Rose Petal, and I'm going to put that on top. Okay, now I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Espresso, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm going to take this and run it against here like that. And boom. Okay, now I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, the pressed powder, and I'm going to use this e.l.f. Foundation brush. And this is how I do it. I just swirl it in, pat, and push that in all over my face. Okay, now I'm going to take this Ben Nye loose powder in the color Dark Cocoa, and I'm going to go over my contour with that. And I'm just going to take whatever is on the top of this bottle, and I'm going to put it on top of my contour. I'm going for like a daytime glam look, so I'm actually going to use 2 highlighters, and right now I'm going to use this MAC highlighter. It's called Superb, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush and put it on the high points of my face. Take Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife, and I'm gonna dip my brush in just a little, and I'm gonna tap it off. And then I'm going to press it on top of that Superb. Okay, and then for the highlight down the center of my nose, I'm just going to take MAC Superb with my finger, and I'm going to put it on just like that. I don't want to put Trophy Wife on the center of my face because it does have a lot of glitter. So I'm just gonna just use Superb. Take my foundation brush and blend that out just a little bit. Okay, now eyebrows, I'm just gonna brush those in the way that I want them to go. Then I'm gonna take this Essence eye pencil. I don't believe it's for your eyebrows, but I use it for it. And I'm gonna fill them in. First, I'm gonna take the Fenty matchstick and I'm gonna put that all over my eye. And I'm going to take it up just a little bit. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to take my MAC 224 blending brush and I'm going to blend it out. Take the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna pat it over the center of my eye. And bring it up into the crease just a little bit. And to help get that perfect crease area for your specific eye, kind of look down and just blend. Blend into your little socket. I'm gonna take my foundation brush just to like blur that a little bit. Then I'm gonna take the matchstick and bring that down up under my eye. And I'm gonna blend that out as well. Okay, now I'm going to take MAC Superb and I'm going to use my finger, put it on my inner corner. Boop, 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 boop. And then taking my MAC 224 and lightly blend that out. Okay guys, now I'm going to take the eye pencil, the same one I used for my eyebrows. Yep, I sure am. And I'm going to line my waterline. All right, now I'm going to put my mascara on. You really want to load the mascara on. That's what's really going to give you that sultry, that, you know, little sexy vibe you're going for that daytime look. Okay, now I'm going to put my blush on. And this blush is by INGLOT. I do not know what the name is. I just don't, okay? But this is what it's looking like. And I'm going to put my blush right here, right up under the highlight. And I want those two to just kind of marry and blend in. A little on the nose, a little on the chin, a little in the front of the brow. Just gonna take a little bit of hair gel and put that through my eyebrows. Yes, hair gel. I do not understand why people buy eyebrow gel. For what? It is just such a ripoff. Straight theft. Just to finish everything, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and put that on my lips. Okay, and then my SKINDINAVIA finishing spray. This is the bridal finishing spray. Okay, eye, and boom, that's what I do for a simple, easy daytime smoky eye. Try it out, let me know how it worked for you. I'm gonna fix these edges and I'll be back. Okay guys, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think about this look. Tell me if you think that this was easy to follow. I mean, you're only using about 4 products to get this daytime smoky eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll leave the products that I use down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. And guys, thank you again for stopping by. See you later. Bye.